What's up, guys? It's Ed here from Geek, and I'm with Rob and Mark Kelly today. What's up, fellas?
All kinds of stuff, man. How you doing?
Doing good. Those bastards, Dustin and Nick, have no-showed on us, and now they're on record as no-showing. So we just decided to turn on, start recording, and start talking shit. And Mark brought up a very funny incident where a particular prospect was asking them to optimize a smart campaign. So, Mark, how would you optimize a smart campaign?
Yeah, we're deleting it. That's where we start.
Yeah. So there is no way to optimize a smart campaign. If you're running a smart campaign, the best thing you can do is turn that off and build a real campaign. So, Mark, what's going on in your world this week? What do you got cooking?
You know, that's a good question. I've been building up my skill stack a little bit outside of Google Ads, all related somewhat. My buddy Ed has been telling me to get my YouTube game going. So I've been learning my video editor, which I'm just using screencast, which seems to do everything that the average human would need. And then working on some integrations. We do a lot of white label stuff, a lot of white label Google Ads. And I'm looking at just some simple integrations and things we can add that are one-time deals that aren't as fraught with peril as things that require as lead gen campaigns, and anything performance based is. So that's sort of the road I'm going down this week. What are some things I do that I could only get praised for? A friend of mine used to say he liked businesses where you were always a hero.
Yeah.
Well, this isn't one of those necessarily.
Yeah. Certainly not in a white label scenario. You said, I think you said one-time projects. Are we talking like one-time campaign builds or one-time optimizations?
A couple of things outside of that, like integrations from, we use Unbounce. I think you guys use, I forget what you guys use. Instapage. Yep. Just looking at doing some, something that you had mentioned one time, doing some email parsing so that they can integrate into a spreadsheet or go high level or whatever. And that way we can stay inside our stack and still be able to allow people to integrate those leads with their systems without us jumping through a bunch of hoops, for that, for trying to, integrate our stuff into their stuff. So just sort of a bridge between them, which is kind of fun from a technical perspective to work on. And you're always a hero when it works.
Yeah. What about you, Rob? What do you got cooking this week?
Just onboarding new clients and a ton of split testing for landing pages. I think I set up like 25 split tests this week.
Nice. Okay.
So,
what are you finding is working there? I'm sorry, Ed. I just grabbed that mic right from you.
No, go for it.
Yeah, Mark, I'm testing. I really only mess around with the header. Because like I said in one of our previous videos on here, or roundtables, it was most of the traffic we drive is mobile. So I play around with different call to actions and also adding buttons that just click the call button and stuff with like sticky headers and stuff like that. So I find that the sticky header is actually pretty popular with a call button.
Interesting.
Yeah. And here's something even more interesting, which I just figured out. A round button, like a I guess oval or whatever, converts better than a square button.
Which makes sense on mobile because it slices in a little bit and it probably pops a little bit better on the.
I did not think that would have an impact at all. And it turns out it's like a big impact.
We've been testing image, no image.
On a image, no image?
Behind the headline and things, because our designers love to make things pretty. Yeah. And I only care about whether they convert.
Yeah, it's funny, man. Our people always comment that our pages are really ugly, but if you look at it on mobile, it's the non-image back stuff, and you just want it to scroll with copy and call to action. And they're not really getting why Rob does it the way he does it, but you nailed it there. It's designer and